Imagine you are sharing a pizza with your friends. One says, cut it like a pie. Another says, no, make it like a donut with a hole in the middle. Confused? That's exactly the story of pie chart versus donut chart. A pie chart is one of the oldest ways to show data. A full circle divided into slices. Each slice represents a part of the whole. But then came the donut chart. It looks just like a pie chart except with a hole in the center. And that empty space is not just design, it's useful too. So you can write the total value or add extra information right there. So donut charts give a cleaner, more modern look. So let's implement it practically in Power BI. Okay, so we have already imported data. So I am going to create first pie chart. Okay, so click on pie chart. Okay, I am creating pie chart. Okay, so I want to it on basis of the city and I want to see the profit. Okay, so I am seeing the profit city wise. Okay, so here you can see sum of profit by city wise. Okay, so here are the cities and here is the profit mentioned. Okay, so this is the pie chart. Okay, let's take a look on donut chart. Okay, so I am selecting donut chart. Okay, and this time I am seeing the total amount on the basis of the states. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, this is the donut chart. Okay, so here we can see the sum of amount by state wise. Okay, and now to make it more stylish, what we can do, take a card. Okay, and take a total sum of amount. Okay, and here it is the total sum of amount. Okay, 438K, and put it in middle. Okay, and now here it is looking more stylish, which we cannot do in pie chart. We don't have space in between pie chart, but we have the space in the center of the donut chart, so we can highlight anything whatever we want. Like I highlighted the sum of amount 438K. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more in Power BI.